Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Gabe. I'm over here in Shelbure Falls, Massachusetts. Over there is a building where they filmed The Judge with Robert Downey Jr. And over here we have the glacier potholes. If anyone ever been to this before, it's a pretty cool place. When I was little, I actually used to go down there and play in the potholes. I used to swim in there. So here's Shelbure Falls. Up there would be where The Judge was filmed. So it's kind of cool. I'll go over there in a minute after these people are done taking pictures. So I mean, that's got to be pretty. I mean, playing in this stuff is kind of cool. So do this. Here. That is actually really cool, right? On here, little potholes. You used to play in these. There used to be stairs over there and down, running here, and it was actually really fun. When Irene hit, all that was destroyed. You can see some of the cool stuff here. So here's the other part of it. This is actually apartments now. So over here, you can do stairs. You can go down these stairs, go all the way down, over there, down to there. You still like play in this area right here. So it's actually really cool. So we'll walk back up. So let's just enjoy this, relax and enjoy the water for a bit. And over there is where they filmed some of Dexter. Dexter was filmed out here also. I know they blocked some of the stuff out, so I can tell there's the Shelbure, there's the Judge. So yeah, this was actually part of the diner, so that was cool. We'll walk up here. Right there is actually a bowling alley. All this stuff. There's some really cool buildings here. So we're gonna walk by my buddy William's wine shop that he has. We'll do a quick video of that and say hi to him. Well, he's not there. I know he's on vacation somewhere, but we'll do a quick video of his wine place. No one coming? All right. These are little shops here, bookshops and all that stuff. So here's Shelbure Falls Cork. William is gonna get a recognition for this, so check him out if you're out here in Shelbure Falls, Mass. He does a really cool job. Good stuff there. It's a little cute little bakery. You know, something's going on over there. And over here, that's over there across the street where Dexter was filmed and all that. So, then here, bowling alley up there. Hello. And then this is cool. I'll do this for you guys. Check this out. Isn't that cool? It's actually really cool. Really cool place. You got a beer shop there. You got a salon over here. So yeah, it's actually really cool. Anyways, everyone, have a great day, and I hope to see you around. I'll see you in the next, probably next little short will be an AC/DC song. So this is the way. Peace.